Stock trading basics. Stock trading is an excellent way to make money in the financial markets, but it can also be a complicated and risky endeavor. To be successful in stock trading, you need to understand how the market works and learn how to analyze stocks to determine when to buy and sell. In this ebook, we will provide an introduction to stock trading for beginners and provide tips and strategies to help you get started. Chapter 1: What is stock trading? Stock trading is the act of buying and selling stocks in the financial markets. Stocks are shares of ownership in a company, and when you buy stocks, you are buying a piece of that company. The goal of stock trading is to buy stocks at a low price and sell them at a higher price, making a profit in the process. There are two main types of stock trading: long-term investing and short-term trading. Long-term investing involves buying and holding stocks for a period of several years, while short-term trading involves buying and selling stocks within a matter of days, hours, or even minutes. Chapter 2: Getting started with stock trading. Before you start trading stocks, there are a few things you need to do to prepare. First, you need to open a brokerage account. A brokerage account is a type of investment account that allows you to buy and sell stocks. There are many different brokerage firms to choose from, so be sure to do your research to find the one that best suits your needs. Once you have opened a brokerage account, you will need to fund it with money to start trading. You can do this by transferring money from your bank account to your brokerage account. Some brokerage firms also allow you to deposit checks or cash directly into your account. Chapter 3: How to choose stocks to buy. Choosing which stocks to buy can be a daunting task, especially for beginners. There are many different factors to consider, including the company's financial health, industry trends, and market conditions. Here are a few tips to help you choose which stocks to buy. Research the company. Before you buy any stock, you should research the company to make sure it is financially sound and has a good reputation in its industry. Analyze the stock. Use technical and fundamental analysis to determine if the stock is undervalued or overvalued. Consider the industry. Look at the overall trends in the industry to determine if it is growing or declining. Look at market conditions. Consider the overall market conditions to determine if it is a good time to buy stocks in general. Chapter 4: How to buy and sell stocks. Once you have chosen which stocks to buy, you need to know how to buy and sell them. Here is a step-by-step guide to buying and selling stocks. Place an order. Log into your brokerage account and place an order to buy or sell a certain number of shares of the stock you want to trade. Set the price. When placing your order, you can set the price at which you want to buy or sell the stock. You can choose to buy or sell at the current market price, or you can set a limit order to buy or sell at a specific price. Wait for the trade to execute. Once you have placed your order, you need to wait for the trade to execute. This can take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes. Monitor your trades. After your trades have executed, you should monitor them to make sure they are performing as expected. If you need to sell a stock, you can do so by placing another order to sell the shares. Chapter 5: Risk Management Strategies. Stock trading involves risk, and it is important to have a solid risk management strategy in place to minimize your losses.